I finally discovered where the fuel cap is located, despite closing.
The car was left open all night.
The car's locked.
Open car. I shut it firmly, yet it stays open. If you desire to witness my solution, be sure to watch the upcoming video. Luckily, it stayed in the unlocked position for me, and I was able to add fuel. The initial action I took was to proceed to a gas station and fill the tank completely, ensuring that if any issues arose while attempting repairs, I'd be ready. He already had plenty of fuel to get to the workshop.
This piece here is the one that doesn't work well, so the first option, after being informed on the internet and in forums, is to add a little oil, since sometimes it works.
As is evident, if I am making this video, it did not work. After extensively searching the internet for spare parts on several pages, I was unable to find the lock motor anywhere, ultimately leading me to go to Seat Spare Parts.
They already sold me there once. The piece that cost $40.
And they told me that if they put it on me, the price was $100, which didn't seem very expensive to me. The reason was that you had to uncover the side to place it, and that had been like this for a while. It's just that since they told me that I had to place it there, uncovering the side, I started doing that to finally realize that there was nothing to do there. Luckily, I put it all back together again, without breaking anything.
This way you can see that there is no access
Towards the fuel cap cover.
The engine is completely finished from this point, and there's a tiny screw that needs to be removed. Once we've meticulously removed the screw, we gently pull on the plastic component.
And we look at how drain the liquids, then carefully place it back in the same position. Well, it finally emerged. The entire system actually came out.
And this is the piece that's broken.
We present the pieces, we see that they are practically the same, and we are not going to remove one and place the other.
This goes along with a pair of tweezers, and here they are securely pressed. Now, they neither move nor conceal anything within me. We take out the old one and then place a new one back in.
And placed.
The motorcycle is going to be placed like this.
It's reminiscent of sideburns, and now it's been seamlessly inserted into place.
Therefore, from this point forward, we are able to work with this.
Shall we put him in here?
Perfect.
In principle, it's there. We just have to tighten this screw.
Well, that's it. Let's go. To check if it closes properly.
Open car. The lid opens.
Shall we close the lid? Closed car.
Arranged.
If you liked the video, I genuinely hope you like it and consider subscribing to the channel, would you? Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Warm greetings to you.